We're going to learn about box and whisker plots. Let's copy and take notes and fill in the blank. Box and whisker plots. A box and whisker plots divides a set of data into 4 parts using the median and quartiles. Please fill in the blank. Quartile means 4, just like quarter. Quadrilateral, when you see the word QUA, means 4. Median is a middle number of the data. The box is drawn around the quartiles. Please fill in the blank and write quartiles here. Whiskers extend from each quartile to the extreme values. Please fill in the blank, write quartile again, and write extreme values. At any point, if you need to pause the video to copy notes, please pause it, copy whatever you need to copy, and then continue the video. Let's do the example on the bottom. You have a data 27, 37, 21, 54, 47, and 35. So before we do find the median and draw box and whisker, you have to put them in order from least to greatest. So first, you're going to pick the lowest number here. So look and then see which one is the lowest, the least number, which is 21. So cross that out and write it here. And then what is the next one? Next lowest is 27. So cross it out. And then next to the lowest is 35. And I like to cross out as I go so I don't forget a number. And next one is 37. Next one is 47. And then the last one, the greatest number is 54. So please put them in order from least to greatest like this. And we're going to answer these questions and draw box and whisker plot on the bottom. So the median is the middle one. So if I actually cross out from outside and go in 2 at a time, I can see that I have 2 middle numbers. When you have 2 middle numbers, you can add them and divide it by 2, or pick the one number right in the middle. In this case, what's between 35 and 36? 35 and 37, 36. So 36 is the median. So if you add them and divide it by 2, you get 36 also. So let's find the first quartile and then third quartile. First quartile is the median of the first half. So your first half is right here. You look at these 3, that's your first half. And you look at these 3, which is your second half. So right here, this is your median for the first half. That is 27. Median for the second half is 47. So this is your first quartile, this is your third quartile. The range is simple. Highest number minus lowest number. So 54 minus 21 is 33. That is the range. Interquartile range means difference between these two. So third quartile minus first quartile. So 47 minus 27 is 20. We're going to use this information and draw the box and whisker here. So please copy. If I'm going too fast, please pause the video, copy, and then play back. So we're going to use a number line. Look at the smallest one and look at the largest one, but you cannot just use these numbers. You have to use number line with intervals. So I'm going to look at 21. So I'm going to start with actually 20. And then just go by 5s and then go up to 55. So please draw a number line. Let's go by 5s. just going to extend a little more and do that, okay? And then we're going to draw box and whisker plot with these information here. So first thing you're going to do is let's go in order. Median, so 36. I'm going to estimate between 35 and 40, so maybe about here. Draw a line. That's your median for the entire data. And then first quartile is 27, so I'm just going to estimate and draw right over here. The next 47, I'm going to go over here. And then we're going to draw a box. This is your box. So your interquartile range is inside the box. It is 47 minus 27, which is 20. And then the range is 33, so we're going to do the whisker part. Get the 21 and just put it over here. That's 21. And this is your whisker. You connect to the first quartile. And then this is your third quartile. You connect. And then you're going to use 54. So you're going to put a dot above 54. And then you're going to connect. So this is your box. And these are your whiskers. So this is your lower extreme. That's your upper extreme. And that's what you use to find the range. Okay? Which is 33. Interquartile range is inside here. So 47 minus 27, which is 20. Please pause the video and try the example right here. And I'll show you the answer. So please try them on your own. So here are the answers, and I'm going to explain a few things and show you my box and whisker. So right here, your median will be, if you cross out 2 at a time and go in, your median is 7. Now, when you find the quartile 1, you're going to not include this, okay? And then use these. That is your first half, and then find the median for these. So you're gonna have 2 medians and do 3 plus 4 divided by 2. So between 3 and 4 is 3.5. And then don't use the median for the entire data, except that use these. And then you're going to have 2 median. Between 9 and 11, you're going to have 10. So that's your quartile 3. So lower quartile, upper quartile. And then the range is 12 minus 2, which is 10, highest number minus lowest number. And then interquartile range is 10 minus 3.5. So it's already or always quartile 3 minus quartile 1. So let's draw box and whisker here. So median, you start with 7. And then you're going to put 3.5 is the lower quartile right here between, like somewhere here. I'm going to just estimate. And then upper quartile is 10. And that's your box. In the whisker, lowest number is 2. Put a dot. Connect. Upper quartile, upper extreme, which is right here. This is your extreme and extreme. So you connect like this. So these are your whiskers. So please check what you did and see if you did this. Make sure you have a number line with same intervals. I use 2s. You can use 1s. That'll be fine. Let's go to the bottom and do finish the notes. And we're going to do the backside in class. So percentages right here. Box and whisker plot separates the data into 4 parts. So let's write 4. And each, even though the parts may be different sizes, each part contains 25% of the data. So this is the box. This is a box and whisker. You have a whisker here and whisker here. And then each section is 25%. So from here to here is 25%. From here to here, even though they're different sizes, each section is 25%, 25% of the data, and then this is 25% of the data. So please copy that. So each section is a quarter. That's why it's called quartile, because quarter means 25%. We're going to do the back side in class together. Thank you for watching the video.